not giving myself an escape route. But that's okay. Hello, welcome to my kitchen in my apartment. And it is Saturday. Hello. And my pigtails are very uneven. Which one is you're the awkward one. These are both awkward. Every Saturday, my tradition, which has been something that I've done before self-isolation, was to treat myself with a big ol' Saturday breakfast. So that's what we're gonna do, and I'm gonna show you how to make pretty much the tastiest, crispiest bacon. Not too crispy, like dark, gross, crispy, but like good, crispy bacon. And I discovered that the secret to it, and to make sure that it stays flat, is a bacon press. Let's get started. So first off, you're gonna need your bacon. Got my bacon. But yeah, so we got our 2 pieces of bacon. We're gonna slap them on the skillet. Slap. It's not really a slap. And then put the bacon press, boom. And your heat is gonna vary because of the skillet and the apartment oven. I usually set it to 4 heat. I'm trying not to touch it with my bacon fingers. But yeah, so I set it to 4, and then I don't actually keep time, I keep smell. I have acquired a magical bacon sensing snout, and so I just check on it every couple minutes, flip it, and then I can sort of smell when it's getting close to being done. And while we wait for that, I also will make the second part of the breakfast, i.e. if I'm going to make pancakes, I'll start putting together the mix. If it's French toast, I'll, break the egg and make the French toast mixture. I have something on my face. Is that nice for you, Mike? Did you like that? Okay, y'all, so it's only been a couple minutes since I cut camera, and these are what I consider to be absolutely perfectly crispy bacon pieces. So we're gonna scoop those mofos out, and I have a plate with some paper towel here. I'm touching the bacon because it's my bacon. I can do what I want. And then I just take the bacon press here and set it on top. Keeps it warm, keeps it kind of cooking. And I set the heat to low, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna drain this of the grease, and then we're gonna come and we're gonna start making the pancakes. Is that a good shot? Can you see the skillet? Okay. Here we go. I think this typically makes 3 or 4 skinny-ish pancakes. And so, yeah, so I just kind of wait till the edges and the top get a little bubbly, and then I flip them, and then that seems to make the perfect pancake. Oh my gosh, that is a beautiful pancake. That is beautiful. That is absolutely beautiful. Look at it! This is what I consider a beautiful pancake. Like, look at the goldeny hues. It's not burnt. It's not too brown. Oh, that is beautiful. So yeah, I just keep making the pancakes until I run out of batter, and then I make scrambled eggs and toast, and that is my Saturday breakfast. I'm going to eat it now and enjoy my Saturday. Make good choices. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, already fell. Oh. So, once again, I guess this is Do you want to see the pancake up close? Of course you do. Whee!